How thick is an insect leg?
Yeah, not thick.
Not.
Right.
It's not. Weight scales as your radius cubed, but your strength scales as radius squared, which is basically your cross section. This difference means as the animal gets larger, its weight outstrips the ability of its strength to hold up its body. So it needs really, really fat legs to compensate.
Gotcha.
As you get smaller, the weight starts going away fast because now the radius is getting smaller and smaller, and then the area basically wins because now your volume gets smaller faster than the cross-sectional area gets. So try this, right? If your radius is 2, then your volume goes as radius cubed. So what is 2 times 2 times 2?
That's
you get what?
8.
8, okay. Now if your radius is a half,
Oh, it's going down.
it's going to... What's a half times a half times a half?
Right.
That's an eighth.
Right.
Okay? So you get this crossover point in the animal kingdom. That's how the smaller the creature, the bigger is the weight it can carry.
That's wild.
Relative to its own body weight.
That's amazing.
And the higher it can jump.
Right.
Because its body mass isn't much relative to what the legs are.
Which is the creepiest thing in the world when you see a kangaroo mouse.
Oh,
It's a tiny little mouse, and it can jump like 6 feet. I'm like, no.
Or a flea, which is, barely the
he's
size
barely
of thing.
visible.
And then they count how high above its height
Right.
it can jump.
Right.
And it's 10 times its height or something, 20, 30, whatever is that number.
Right.
You ain't jumping that high above your height.
Never.
And neither is any other large macroscopic object. The laws of physics are dictating what your acrobatic skills will be depending on your size.